Hello, welcome to Shaladi Kitchen. Today I will be showing us how to make a carrot oil, homemade carrot oil. In my last video, I taught us how to make lemon oil. So today it will be carrot oil. I am an oil lover. I love oil a lot for myself and that of my kids. So you can see all you need to have is your carrot, your grated carrot, and also any oil of your choice. You can see I'm using my coconut oil, sesame oil, and olive oil. I want to combine all this oil together to get the best result I want. So all you need to do is to get an organic carrot. Make sure it's an organic carrot. Wash it thoroughly. It should be well washed. Then you peel it with your peeler or your knife if you don't have a peeler. So what you need to do after that, you grate it to your size, but it's better is this size so that the vitamins in the carrot will come out well. Yes, you can see I've added my coconut oil, my sesame oil, and also my olive oil to the brim of the grated carrot. All you need to do at this point is to tightly cover it and keep it for 2 weeks. This carrot needs to be kept for 2 weeks, and you check it after every 2 days. Now this is my day 2. You can see that after 2 days the carrot is already looking like my husband said it looks like a jollof rice. Yeah, so it's already looking like a jollof rice, as he said, but it's fermenting into the oil gradually. This is the day 4 also. Is fermenting gradually into the oil. You can see it's fading off. The carrot is fading off into the oil. All the vitamins in the carrot will get into the oil for you to use. Yes, as you can see, on the 2nd to 4th day, you stir it thoroughly. This is 2 weeks. Our oil is ready after 2 weeks. Can you see how the carrot got fermented into the oil? Just look at it as if it was blended. No, it wasn't blended. It got fermented into the oil. Look at the color of our oil. The color of our oil is already changed to that of carrot. You can see. So all you need to do at this point is to get a neat satin cloth or your clean kitchen towel or your clean kitchen hanky. Then it's time to sieve it out. Yes, it's time to sieve it out. All you need to do is to sieve the oil out of the carrot right now. But before we proceed, can you do me well by giving this video a thumbs up, please? And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and clicking on the notification button so you'll be notified when more videos drop, okay? Thank you for doing that. Right now, you sieve out your oil. At this point, you will see some drains of water in the oil, and you know it's not supposed to be so. If you leave it this way, your oil will not come out well. All you need to do again after this first sieving of the carrot, you have to sieve it again. Then you leave it to settle and for you to drain your oil out properly. Just watch and see. You can see the water in it. Just look at that. So you need to let it settle and you drain it again. You sieve it again. So I'm sieving the oil for the second time. I've allowed it to settle and I'm sieving it for the second time. Look underneath the oil. You can see. So I'm done sieving my oil the second time. You can see that? You can't see the water in it again. So our oil is ready. This is beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's good for your skin. It's very good for your skin. The carotene in carrot is very good for your body. So you need to have this in your among your creams. Yes, it's very, very essential. Yes, thank you for watching my video. God bless you. You can drop your comments on anything you want us to do next. God bless you.